Hello, I'm Zheng Kang. I'll be presenting what I have learned in my remote learning part 1. The type of application that I have chosen is Wi-Fi. An overview of the application. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices such as computer, like laptop and desktops, mobile devices like smartphone and wearables, and other equipment such as printer and video camera to interface with the internet. This allows devices and many more to exchange information with one another, creating a network. Here are some of the real-life applications we all have been using, such as smartphones, computers, cars, and mobile apps. How does it work? The simple answer is to use Wi-Fi technology. Signals are transmitted to various devices via radio waves. The receiving devices must be configured to receive wave of a specific frequency. The Wi-Fi frequency range is 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. This is a higher frequency than those used in walkie-talkies, mobile phones, and TVs. This higher Wi-Fi frequency range allows signal to carry more data. What is the medium of transmission in Wi-Fi? Wireless transmission is a form of unguided medium. Wireless communication involves no physical link established between two or more devices. Communicating wirelessly. Wireless signals are spread over in the air and are received and intercepted by appropriate antennas. What is the type of modulation used in Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi uses adaptive modulation and various levels of forward error correction to optimize transmission rate and error performance. As a radio signal loses power or encounter interfaces, the error rate will increase. Adaptive modulation means that the transmitter will automatically shift to a more robust, though less effective, modulation technique in those adverse conditions. What is the transmission rate of Wi-Fi? There are 4 types of Wi-Fi from Wi-Fi 3 to Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 3 has a transmission rate of 54 MB per second, while Wi-Fi 4 has a transmission rate of 600 MB per second. But Wi-Fi 6 can achieve a maximum throughput of 9.6 GB per second across multiple channels compared to 3.5 GB per second in Wi-Fi 5. What is the radio frequency spectrum used in Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi uses UHF radio wave to transmit information between your devices and router while frequency. Wi-Fi frequency bands are frequency range within the wireless spectrum that are designated to carry Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. What is the maximum permitted power in Wi-Fi? The maximum EIRP allowed is 53 dBm, which is 30 dBm plus 23 dBi of antenna gain. In the 2.4 GHz band, you can increase the antenna gain to get an EIRP above 36 dBm, but for every 3 dBi increase of antenna gain, you must reduce the transmit power by 1 dBm. For example, a 5 GHz band can reach up to 433.3 MB per second. There's a table showing the transmit power antenna gain an EIRP of different value and range. What is the physical range in Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi router operating on the traditional 2.4 GHz band reach up to 150 feet, which is 46 meter indoor, and 300 feet, which is 96 meter outdoor. Older 802.11a routers that run on a 5 GHz band can reach approximately only up to one-third of this distance. What are the transmitter or receiver used for? The wireless transmitter might broadcast using radio frequency RF waves, or it might transmit data on the infrared IR wavelength, and the paired receiver listen for the signal accordingly.